Volvo's sporty electric-focused subsidiary Polestar has been making steady progress toward launching its first car, the 600-horsepower plug-in hybrid Polestar 1. The company began building its factory in Chengdu, China, and now has announced that it will finally, officially open the order books for one of the sports coupes early in 2018. Up until this point, the company was just accepting registrations of interest in the car. The company will start putting orders in for people who have expressed interest. The countries with the most people showing interest will also be the first to get brick-and-mortar Polestar Spaces, basically showrooms and dealers. American fans of Swedish speed will be glad to know the US will be one of the first places with Polestar Spaces. China will also be among the first, which is no surprise considering the Polestar 1 will be built there. Interestingly, the only locations in Europe are in the central and northern parts of the continent, Germany, the Netherlands, Norway, and, of course, Sweden. The first Polestar Spaces will be finished in mid-2019. Other countries will get the dealers later. Production of the Polestar 1 is slated for mid-2019, so it could be a little while before those early orders are filled. Polestar has two other vehicles confirmed for future production, the Polestar 2 and 3. The Polestar 2 will be a fully electric sports sedan starting production in late 2019, and the Polestar 3 will be an electric crossover coming later than that. According to Motor Trend, there's also a fourth model, fittingly called Polestar 4, in the works as well, and there's a chance it could be a convertible.